CompTIA ITF Plus Complete Training Course. Exam Objective 5.1 Explain database concepts and the purpose of a database. Flat file versus database. Working with data can be accomplished using multiple tools. Small data sets that are shared by one or two users can be managed in text files and/or spreadsheets. These text files and spreadsheets are usually referred to as flat file systems and provide a very simple method of storing data. In a flat file system, data is typically stored in individual tables or files with little to no structured relationships between the data elements. It's important to note that while flat file systems are easy to work with in many scenarios, they may not be suitable for large-scale, complex data management tasks that require advanced data relationships and querying capabilities. In such cases, a database management system would be more appropriate. By using a database in place of a flat file system, you gain several key benefits. The first of which is a database's ability to handle multiple concurrent users. When multiple users or processes attempt to read or write to the same flat file simultaneously without proper coordination, conflicts can occur. These conflicts can result in data corruption, loss, or inconsistencies due to the absence of built-in concurrency controls, locking mechanisms, and transaction management, which are essential features provided by modern databases. By using a database, you will be able to provide simultaneous read and write capabilities to tens, hundreds, or even thousands of users concurrently or at the same time. Using a database also provides scalability. Scalability, in this context, refers to the database's capability to accommodate a growing volume of data, increased user traffic, or additional workloads by efficiently expanding its storage capacity and compute resources. Another advantage of databases over flat file systems comes in the form of increased speed. Databases are optimized for data retrieval and manipulation. They employ indexing, caching, query optimization, and other performance-enhancing techniques to efficiently store, sort, and retrieve large quantities of data quickly. And as a final benefit, databases can handle a wide range of data types. Flat file systems are typically limited to text data, while databases can handle a wide variety of data types, including text, numbers, dates, images, audio, video, and more. In summary, databases are a superior choice over flat file systems in scenarios where you need to accommodate multiple concurrent users, achieve scalability for growing data needs, ensure fast and efficient data access, and work with a variety of data types. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more great content.